The best boxing gloves offer comfort, protection, and durability, helping you train safely and confidently for bag work, sparring, or fitness workouts. Starting at number 1. Everlast Prostyle Elite Exercise. The Everlast Prostyle Elite Training Boxing Gloves, 12 ounces, pink/white, are crafted from durable synthetic leather and feature a breathable mesh palm for comfort during intense workouts. With EverShield wrist support and a secure hook and loop closure, these gloves provide advanced protection and a snug fit, making them ideal for training, sparring, mitt work, and heavy bag sessions. Number 2. R6 Boxing Gloves for Men. The JFO R6 Boxing Gloves, 16 ounces, are versatile training gloves made for men and women, suitable for boxing, Muay Thai, kickboxing, MMA, sparring, and heavy bag workouts. They feature a thumb lock to help prevent thumb injuries and a cool mesh palm for breathability and odor control, while handmade construction with a traditional hand mold enhances grip and fit. The gloves also offer ample padding for hand protection and come with a lifetime warranty from the brand, making them a solid budget-friendly choice for general training. Number 3. Everlast Prostyle 2 Boxing Gloves. The Everlast Prostyle 2 Boxing Gloves, 12 ounces, black, are entry-level training gloves ideal for beginners in general fitness boxing. They feature a triple-layer foam construction for comfort and impact protection, a full-length hook and loop wrist strap for a secure fit, and a ventilated mesh palm with ever-cool breathable fabric to help keep your hands cool and dry during workouts. Built with durable synthetic leather, these gloves are suitable for heavy bag, speed bag, and basic sparring training sessions. Number 4. Everlast Prostyle Elite Exercise. The Everlast Prostyle Elite Exercise Workout Training Boxing Gloves, 12 ounces, red, are durable training gloves made with premium synthetic leather and reinforced construction for lasting use. They feature a full mesh palm for breathability and comfort, and an updated EverShield wrist design with a hook and loop closure to support and protect your wrists during sparring, heavy bag, and mitt work. These gloves provide a secure fit across a variety of striking angles, making them a versatile choice for general boxing training. Number 5. ARD Boxing Gloves for Men. The ARD Boxing Gloves for men and women are professional-style training gloves designed for Muay Thai, kickboxing, heavy bag work, and general striking training. They typically feature multi-layer foam padding for shock absorption and hand protection, a secure wrist strap for stability, and a comfortable fit that contours to your hand shape, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced fighters working on bags, pads, or sparring drills.